Guys, if you haven't heard of our community giveaway yet, you have to check this out. For pretty much every other month, I host a giveaway event on our Discord channel, and we've done 9 giveaways in the past in a row and have sent about 55 prizes to the participants and winners. And we're not talking about the cheap prizes to fish cheap awareness, guys. We are talking about 15 Steam gift cards, 9 physical 3D printers, 5 Meta Oculus Quest 2 and Quest 3 VR headsets, 4 actual 3D scanners from our friend RivalPoint and Creality, and 1 DJI drone. It's unbelievable to see how far we've come along. I mean, I remember in the first giveaway, we had like 2 people who joined the giveaway, and I just had to pick one of them to give a brand new Anycubic Resin 3D printer. And so for this giveaway, we have 2 people who entered the giveaway. And after that, there were just more people coming in every time. And in the second giveaway, we had 20 participants, and then 27, and then 30, then 34, and etc. And in our last giveaway, we have 82 submissions. It's amazing. And if you quickly do the math, you'll realize the chance of winning these prizes is actually quite high. We give away 55 prizes in the past, and there were a total of 316 participants in the last 9 giveaways. It's like you have 17% probability of winning something if you participate in every giveaway in the past. I mean, I have never seen anything like this in my personal life, but this is my company, so why the hell not? It is my greatest pleasure to announce our 10th giveaway, the Mega Giveaway. You have until June the 7th, 2024 to enter this giveaway, and if we reach 10 submissions, we will give away 5 $20 worth Steam gift cards. And going up, if we reach 15 submissions, besides those gift cards, we will also give away 3 KIRI Engine Pro memberships. Those are $60 worth of value yearly plans. And with KIRI Engine Pro, you will get all the access to our amazing features, such as our award-winning featureless object scanning mode, which uses the power of AI to 3D scan shiny and transparent objects that are impossible to scan for conventional 3D scanning methods, as well as the world's first and only mesh-inclusive 3D Gaussian spotting that allows you to not only render beautiful 3D Gaussian scenes, but also export a mesh version of it, so you can use it in 3D software like Blender and Unreal Engine. And with just 5 more submissions, if we hit 20, we'll give away everything in the previous tiers, plus a Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. It is one of the best mice out there if you want to improve your efficiency of 3D workflow. This industrial design marvel has 8,000 DPI. It has a side scroll and 3 extra buttons that are fully customizable to accelerate your 3D creation process. And when we reach 30 submissions, besides everything in the previous tiers, I'm adding a 3D printer on the top. For this giveaway, we've partnered with Bambu Lab, and we are giving away Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. This thing is so popular that it has been out of stock for months. As soon as it was back online, we got them on board to use this printer as the price to let you 3D print anything that came out of the KIRI Engine app. One of the most innovative things that I like about Bambu Labs machines is that it is so intelligent in terms of calibration. I still remember back in the old days, you needed a piece of paper and a lot of patience to manually calibrate the gap between your 3D printer nozzle and printing bed to make sure it printed alright. But now, everything is done automatically. Even the nozzle replacement process has been made so easy. So if you're looking to start your 3D printing journey, Bambu Labs A1 Mini is like the best options out there. You know, whenever I see a giveaway with only one big prize and a bunch of not so significant prizes, and I would automatically assume that I won't be the lucky guy to win the big one. So to make this giveaway more exciting, if we reach 50 submissions, we are going to give away not one, but 2 Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printers. How about that? At this point, man, it's almost a certainty that we will reach 50 submissions. Because remember, we had 82 in the past. So 50 is darn easy. You think this is it? Welcome to our world, guys. When we hit 80 submissions, we are going to add a Meta Quest 3 VR headset to our press pool. As artists and creators of the 3D world, we need to stay ahead of the time and always try something cool and innovative, don't you think, guys? So, Quest 3 VR headset is just what you need to get a sense of where the future is heading toward. And moving up, if we hit 100 submissions, which is totally achievable, I am happy to give you another Bambu Lab 3D printer. But this time, it won't just be an entry-level one, because I'm going to give away a Bambu Lab P1S. This 3D printing beast is the bar setter for the 3D printing industry. It prints 3D models at a fast speed, and it prints 16 colors at once. Doesn't matter if you already had a 3D printer or just about to jump into this new hobby, this P1S will give you unforgettable moments. So, having seen these attractive prizes, to enter this giveaway is insanely easy. All you need to do is to join our Discord community and post a 3D scan project on the Scan Showcase channel. You should name your post title as giveaway number 10 something something, which would be the project name you give your project. I'll post a link to join our Discord community down below. Your submission can be merely as easy as a screenshot of your 3D scan in the KIRI Engine app, or as cool as a fully animated 3D animation with KIRI scan model in it. Or you could also 3D print a 3D scan model with your 3D printer and use that as a submission. But really, the intention of this giveaway is never about setting high barriers for people to join. The only rule pretty much to join this giveaway is to post a 3D project with some level of KIRI scan model in it, and that's it. But if you're planning to put in efforts to submit something that is going to blow our mind, like this one from one of our previous submissions, please do, because your effort won't be wasted. Following the deadline on June 7th, we are going to conduct an internal vote within the KIRI team to select our favorite top 25 submissions to grant each one of them one extra name slip. Meaning, if your submission is among the best quarter, your winning chance will be doubled. So if you really want to win, this is when you gotta take your time to make sure your submission stands out. On June 12th, I'm going to live stream the prize drawing event on YouTube. Although you don't have to be physically presented in the live stream to claim your prize, it would be the perfect opportunity for you to ask me anything in the chat area. And I mean, more people watching would greatly cheer me up. So please, come join us if you can. You might be curious, why are we doing this? I'm not sure if you've noticed when you're on social media, guys, but we do not run any ads online like other companies. Statistically speaking, running ads isn't really a profitable way for us to gain your attention. I mean, if you calculate the revenue we received from the people who came and subscribed to KIRI Engine Pro because of the ads, this number is almost always lower than the money we put into running the ads. And plus, I just don't think throwing random shit at you, whether you like it or not, on social media is the best idea. So, I mean, we gotta think of something that's smarter. And I think this community giveaway definitely worth a try. Because after all, we could be spending hundreds of dollars every day to run ads. So why not just spend a fraction of the ads budget to get something that's really cool as the prizes and to give back to this awesome community? And plus, let's be honest, 3D scanning can be a real pain in the ass. I'm sure some of you watching this video would agree, right? Doesn't matter how hard we try to make the 3D scanning easier in the KIRI Engine app, it still requires a significant amount of learning curve before you can master it. And honestly, we can be of much help to you guys if you can talk to us directly. For that reason, I really think Discord creates a communication channel so you can ask directly to me and to the entire KIRI team about anything. So, in other words, I am using this giveaway as an incentive to encourage more KIRI users like you to join and communicate with us. So, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on Discord.